Hello, hi there. Welcome to the video about basic inequalities. In this video we will learn about inequalities, how we find answers about them, how to plot them on a number line, the most basic things about inequalities. And in our second video, the next one, we will learn how to solve one-step and two-step inequalities and how they are different from equations. So inequalities are mathematical expressions involving the symbols greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to. To solve an inequality means to find a range or ranges of values that an unknown x or any other variable, it can be y, z, a, b, can take and still satisfy the inequality. So these are the four signs which are very important. The one having open face on the left side is known as greater than. The opposite one, the one having face on the right side, is less than. This one is greater than and equal to with it. So this one is greater than or equal to, and the last one is less than or equal to. Now let's see how the inequalities work. As you can see in the first one, x is greater than 3. X is greater than 3. What can be the possible values for this inequality? If they are saying x is greater than 3, can 3 be the part of the solution? No, because they are straight away saying that x is greater than 3. So it starts with 4, 5, 6, and any number greater than 3. So 4, 5, 6, and so on. Any number greater than 3 is the solution to this inequality. How can we show this on a number line? Because we are dealing with 3 right now, so we'll put 3 in the middle on the number line, 2 or 3 values after it, and 2 or 3 values before it. So on 3 we will have a circle, and when they're talking about greater, so on a number line, obviously right side is the greater side. As you can see, after 3 you have 4, 4 you have 5. So on the right hand side, the graph will go on the right hand side. The circle is open because 3 is not part of our answer. That's why the circle is open. In case if 3 is part of our solution, let's see the second inequality where they are saying x is greater than 3. So 4, 5, 6, and so on are part of it, but even 3 is part of it because they are saying x is greater or equal to 3. So now 3 is part of it. So as I did in the previous question, 3, 4, 5, 2, and 1, same thing, going to the right because greater, but this time the circle will be closed because 3 is part of our solution. So the circle is on 3 here. It's an open circle because this tells us that 3 is not part of the solution. But in the next one, the circle is closed, which tells us that 3 is part of the solution. Let's see the less than sign. Here it's saying x is less than 7. So any number less than 7 is part of it, but not 7 because they're saying less than. So it can be 6, 5, 4, 3, and so on. Can even go to negative numbers, anything less than 7. So if you'll plot it on a number line, 7, 8, 9, 6, 5, go to the 7 to a circle because they're talking about less than. It will go towards left because left side of a number line always go to smaller numbers. Same thing in the another inequality, x is less than or equal to 7. So now 7 is part of the answer because they're saying it's either less or equal to 7. So 7, 6, 5, 4, and 3, and so on, smaller to smaller numbers. So this time if you will plot it on a number line, the circle will be closed because 7 is part of our solution and it will go towards left. This is how we find solution to inequalities, different inequalities, and plot them on a number line. I hope this video is of help to you. Please share and subscribe to support our channel, and have a nice day.